Quick challenge. Which sentence is better? A. Can I open the window? B. May I open the window? Or are both correct? Can you guess? Let's find out together.
David, may I borrow your pen?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you.
Great. May is a polite way to ask for permission. May I borrow your pen? Very polite.
Can I borrow your pen?
Yes. That's also correct.
So can and may both work.
Yes for permission.
Today, many English speakers use can and may for permission. Can I borrow your pen? May I borrow your pen? Both are correct. But may sounds more polite and formal.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Can I say may you swim?
No, that sounds wrong.
Now we are talking about ability. Can means ability. I can swim. She can drive. He can cook. We do not use may for ability.
May I come in?
Yes, please come in.
That sounds polite.
It is polite.
Again, this is permission. May I come in? Very polite. Can I come in? Also correct, but less formal.
It may rain later.
Wait. Is that permission?
No. It means maybe.
Good catch. May can also mean maybe. It may rain. That means it is possible.
I can help you with the bags.
Great, thank you.
Here can means ability.
Exactly.
Excellent. Now you know the difference. But can you use can and may correctly? Let's play the final challenge. Can you get 5 out of 5? Ready? Let's go.
I use your phone. Can. Or may.
Both are correct. But may I use your phone is more polite. I ride a bike. Can or may?
Can. It is ability. I can ride a bike. I leave early today. Can. Or may.
Both work. But may I leave early sounds more formal. She speaks Spanish. Can or may?
Can. She has the ability. She can speak Spanish. It rain later. Can. or may?
May. It means maybe. It may rain later.
Fantastic. Remember, can means ability. I can swim. Can also ask for permission. Can I come in? May is polite permission. May I sit here? May can also mean possibility. It may rain. Now it's your turn. Which sentence is better? A. Can I help you? B. May I help you? Or are both correct? Write A, B, or both in the comments. I'll see you in the next Everyday English Explained lesson. Goodbye for now.